Alright guys, once again welcome back to my channel, the Token Trackers, and in this video we are going to be discussing about this project called the Oxin Chain project. And it is a project that is currently in fact they are already selling their tokens. It is a new project and you are still early to join, and you can back a lot of profits from this project if you take it seriously. And like I said, they are already selling it, trading it on the P2P. So which means that once you join now, if you are actively mining and you complete your KYC, you can be mining and selling immediately without even waiting for the listing of this particular project. And the price is already over 5 naira as at the time of the making of this video. So now what you need to do is go to the description section of this video, or in the comment section. You're going to see the link there to join. So you click on it, and then once you click on the link, it is going to open up like this. So you have to click on install right here and then wait for it to download. So it has downloaded and installed. So go ahead, click on open. So once you click on open, this is how you are going to create your account. So that's what I'm guiding you in this particular video. But before we go into that, if you are new into this channel, please kindly hit the subscription button. Also turn on the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever I upload new videos. So once you get over to this page, you click on start right here. You can see start mining. Then let's allow while using this app. So I'm not going to turn on my location. So what you need to do here now is enter your email, then enter your password. So once you enter your password, you have to come down here. You see this place, this arrow here, you click on it. So you click on it. As you click on it, you see that something is dragging on the top right there. So you move it till you get to this empty spot and you leave it inside. So but first of all, you need to enter your email. But they are asking you, first of all, you can see, do you have an account? Don't have an account. If you don't have an account, you have to create. You see create one down here. So let's click on create one. So let's click on register with email. So I'll cancel it. So you come over to this page. So you first of all type your username. So I'm just going to write the token. Okay, let's do the token so now come down to email right here. So you now write your email, you select your country, then your password, then you repeat the same password down, and then you are going to paste this referral code I'm going to give you right here in that referral code section. So you come down to this arrow I told you. So you click on the arrow. So you press down and hold, and then you swipe it to that box, and then you leave it. So you can see verified. So you wait and then come and highlight this and then click on create an account. So that's how you can create an account. So you have, at this point, you have to wait, let it create the account for you. So once you create the account, now you are going to come back to this page right here. So you can now log in. How do you log in? You enter your email, enter your password, then you do the same thing I said. You hold this down arrow here, and then you drag it and drop on that empty box. Alright, so once you come here, you click right here and then you click on confirm. Then just make sure so you are going to come over to this page, and then it will show you that an OTP code has been sent to your email. So you copy that OTP code, then you come and you insert it right here. So then you paste it right here, and then you click on verify. So once you click on verify, you see that it has verification successful. So you have successfully verified your account. Now how do you claim? It's very easy. How do you mine? You have to come here and then you just click on claim and then restart. So once you click on claim, your tokens will be collected and put on this your wallet balance right here, and then the mining will continue again. So as this mining is counting, after 24 hours, you can see time countdown right here. So after 24 hours, you will have the option to claim again, and by claiming, you automatically activate again so that your mining can so that you can keep mining. Now if you come right here, you can see that it's showing unverified right here. The reason you are seeing unverified right here is because you have not completed your KYC. So as soon as you complete your KYC, which if you click right here, you will see that the next KYC will be coming up in the next 10 days. That's for the phase 2 release. So for now, you have to just keep mining. So once you join now, in one of my videos I've shared with you, airdrop has taken another phase right now, and if you are very smart, you're going to make a lot of profit from projects right now. It won't be like before where you will mine, then you are not sure whether you are going to book profit, and then at the end of the day the project disappears. If you look at the system right now, you'll discover that we have not had any good project that has listed since February 2025. That's when Pi Network listed, and since then every other project that has been listing is a flop. So I want you to be careful right now and position very well, because any project that is coming now might just be might just hit hard. Any project that is listing now might be the one that will give us the maximum amount of profit. So any project you join now, be very, very careful and active with it. And then another thing, in as much as you want to maximize profit during listing, don't just plan yourself around the listing. Also position for any amount of profit you can get. What do I mean? Recently I made a video and I told you that I showed you how you can book profits even before a project list, and I was using the VeriChat project as an example. Now most of these tokens that we are mining now, most of these projects that we are mining right now, you can trade them on the P2P, which is very beautiful. It's a beautiful thing to the community, so that you can at least be able to get something, so that if at the end of the day, even if the project does not list, you will still book out some profits. You will still be in profit, not at loss. So now any of these projects, once you join, be active. One of the beautiful thing about this Oxin Chain is that they are already being traded on the P2P, so which means in the black market you can sell it right now. So as you are mining, as soon as you do your KYC, you are opportune to sell your tokens and book your profit even before ever thinking about a listing. You won't have to wait for the listing, and if at the end of the day they don't even list, if you have already booked out some profits, then fine and good. That's the same technique I want you to use for VeriChat. That's the same technique I want you to use for YE blockchain. That's the same technique I want you to use for any other projects that you see, the Ruby, all of them, the Syndra. You can also book some profit. Don't just keep mining and then at the end of the day others are talking profit. You think you are looking up at losses, and then sometimes you feel that airdrop is just a waste of energy, waste of time. You have to be smart in every business sector in life. You have to be smart, apply some wisdom, and you are going to thank me later. So that's it, and I wanted to quickly share with you in this video. So please make sure that you start this project. I'm going to drop the link in the comment section and also in the description section of this video, so make sure that you join and start participating immediately. So I'm also going to be making other videos about the project, and if you have any question regarding to the project, let's know in the comment section. Just drop your question in the comment section and I'm going to answer it in the next video. So that's all for now, and please, before I go, if you're new into this channel, please kindly hit the subscription button, also turn on the notification bell so that we keep tracking tokens together. Thank you so much. See you in my next video.